Step 1. Find and download an intro template without text. You can visit our website, iLiu.com. Choose any intro template you like. Click Download. Step 2. Open PowerPoint. Note, you need Office PowerPoint 2016 or later. Choose Blank Presentation. Click Insert. Insert Video. Choose Video on My PC. Find the video you just downloaded. Click Insert. Try to play. Next, click Insert. Choose Insert Text Box. Click Center Page. Type your name. Choose the text size 60. Choose the font style. Color style. Next, click Animations. Animation pane. Choose Wipe. Click down arrow. Start with Previous. Do the same thing again. Click Text Box. Down arrow. Effect option. A settings panel appears. In direction, choose from left. Click Timing. Enter the delay value of 1.9 seconds. Duration 1.5 seconds. OK. Preview. Finally, click File. Choose Export. Create a video. Choose Full HD quality. Enter 10 seconds spent on each slide. Create video. Select a save location. Click Save to finish. let's enjoy the results that we just created.